Welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So here we'll start our quiz for first standard level. Our first question is, what would you call this? Answer is triangle, polygon which will have three sides. Next question. In which direction is the arrow pointing? Answer is downward or down arrow. Next question. Which figure is bigger and figure A or figure B? Answer figure B. Which of these is a rectangle? Figure A or figure B? Answer figure A. Next question. How many sides does an octagon have? Answer 8 sides. Octa means 8. Next question. If this straight line is a straight line, what kind of line is this? Answer a slanting line. Next question. What is the shape of the sun? Answer sphere. Next question. Rohan has some ice cream cones. If he gives some cones to his friend, he will be left with more cones than before, less cones than before. He given some cones to the other person, then answer is less cones than before. My mother has 3 spoons. If I give her some more spoons, she will have more than 3 spoons, less than 3 spoons. Answer more than 3 spoons. What is the given figure called? Answer pentagon. Pentagon means which will have 5 sides. Next question. Finish the sequence 9, 18, 27 and etc. So sequence answer is 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 multiple. Your mom gave you 12 candies. Your brother took away 3 candies from you. But then your mother gave you 5 more candies. How many candies do you have? So first 12 candies you will have. So 12 minus 3 you have to take. Why? Because 3 candies out. So 12 minus 3 will get 9. 9 plus 5 again giving 5 more candies. 9 plus 5 14. Answer is 14. Next question. If you started doing your homework at 11 a.m. and finished it at 1 p.m., how much time did you take? So 11 a.m. again 12 p.m. 1 hour, 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. is 2 hours. So answer 2 hours. Next question. Finish the sequence 4 dash 8 dash 12 dash 4 multiple. 4 2s are 8. Answer is 8. Which part of the plant is under the ground? Answer the roots. On which part of the plant do bees and butterflies sit on? Answer flowers. Leaves are attached to which part of the tree? Answer the branches. Which animal has tusks made of ivory? Answer an elephant. This small creature is seen on walls. It has 4 legs. It is grey and it eats insects. It looks like a little crocodile. What is it? A lizard. Next question. What is the color of ripe banana? Answer yellow. What is the color of moon? Answer white. How many planets revolve around the sun? Answer 8. Name the colors of the rainbow in the right order. Answer red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Is a beach found near an ocean or a mountain? Answer an ocean. Which is bigger, a river or an ocean? Answer, an ocean. What is the largest animal on earth? Answer, Antarctic blue whale. How do kangaroos carry their offsprings? Answer, in their pouch. The offspring of cats are called. Answer, kittens. What do humans breathe to survive? Answer, oxygen. Which is the world's tallest animal? Answer, giraffe. What do we say when someone does something nice for us? Answer, thank you. Where do we throw away trash? Answer, in the dustbin. Who makes furniture from wood? Answer, a carpenter. When a light or fan stops working, who do we call to help us? Answer, an electrician. At what time of the day do we have lunch? Answer, in the afternoon. What is cheese made of? Answer, milk. On which day every year do we celebrate Independence Day in India? Answer, 15th August. Who was the first Prime Minister of our country? Answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. Who is called the father of our nation? Answer, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. How does sugar taste? Answer, sweet. To protect ourselves from the rain, we hold and dash in our hand. Umbrella. In which season do we wear sweater? Answer, winter. How many hours make a day? 24 hours. 365 is the number of dash in a year. 365 days. Which day comes after Tuesday? Answer, Wednesday. When we feel hungry, which part of our body feels empty? The stomach. On which part of our body do we wear a watch? Answer, the wrist. What should we do to our hands before we begin eating? Answer, wash them. Which is faster, aeroplane or bicycle? Answer, aeroplane. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer, lion. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.